to make sometimes for myself. While we're all here at home, it's important to keep eating healthy so that we can stay strong and have good health. So today we're going to make chia seed pudding. So it's simple ingredients. First you need to have chia seeds though. Then you also need some kind of liquid. Coconut milk is the best option. It's healthy, it's vegan. If you don't have coconut milk, you can just use regular cow's milk or almond milk or soy milk. And then I like to have a few seasonings to add a little bit of flavor. I like to use honey to make it sweet. You could use sugar, you could use syrup, whatever sweetener you like. I like to add a little bit of cinnamon for flavor, and then also some vanilla essence. You can use pure vanilla, or you can even use the imitation vanilla crystal. Now, let's get started making it. The most important thing about your chia seed pudding is the ratio of chia seeds to your liquids. So, for 1 serving of chia seed pudding, we're going to do 2 tablespoons, so that's this big spoon, of chia seeds, to half a cup of liquid. If you want a full cup of liquid, then you should do 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. So it's some simple math you can do. Alright, today I'm going to use the coconut milk. So I put my 2 tablespoons in a cup. Any kind of container will do. I'm going to measure out half a cup of my coconut milk. Pour it in. And then you're going to want to use a fork to stir it up. Because what happens to the chia seeds, the longer they sit in the liquid, they begin to expand and turn into more like a pudding type, thicker mixture. So you want to stir it up first to make sure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. And then you can let it sit for a minute or 2. And while it's sitting, let's talk about why would we want to eat chia seed pudding. Well, there's actually a lot of health benefits to chia seeds. They have lots of fiber. They also have some good protein. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds has the same amount of protein as 1 egg, so it's healthy. It also has the omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good for your heart and your brain. So it's a nutritious and filling snack. And especially if you use the coconut milk, that's also a very nutritious form of milk to drink. Alright, so now that it's sat for just a minute or so, now I'm going to add our seasonings. So you can add as much honey as you like to taste. I like to just do a little 3, 2, 1 swirl. Finished. And then I'll take my cinnamon. Again, this is just to your liking. I'll just do a couple of taps. And then I'm going to use the pure vanilla. And just a tiny drop will do. There we go. Then you'll want to stir again. Make sure everything's all evenly mixed. And I can already tell that it's starting to thicken. Okay. Alright. It's all mixed up. And now, the only thing left that you have to do is put your cup, your container, in the refrigerator. Wait about 2 hours or overnight if you want to eat this for breakfast. When you pull it out after 2 hours or overnight, here's one. You will see it has a nice thick texture. It tastes really yummy. Chia seed pudding is a healthy snack for breakfast, lunch, or even a nice healthy dessert.